Hello, my friends, and welcome to my channel. I will teach you Russian. Today's lesson number 3, and it is about love. I love Russian. Я люблю русский. Русский means Russian. The same as English means English lesson. Русский means Russian language. Я люблю русский. Let's go. Now read and try to understand what I read. Привет. Меня зовут Ирина. А как тебя зовут? If you don't understand anything, go to lesson number 1. It is very important to do step by step. Очень приятно. А вас как зовут? Can you tell me about difference? Как тебя зовут? И а вас как зовут? I changed the word order and I changed тебя on вас. So, in Russian, the word order is rather flexible. Though the Russian sentence is generally arranged subject, verb, object, the grammar rules allow to use virtually any combination of subject, verb, and object within the sentence. You can say «Как тебя зовут?» Тебя как зовут? Как зовут тебя? And the meaning is the same. Isn't it great? You can say «Кто ты?» or «Ты кто?» Что это? What's this? Or это что? What's this? Это что? What's this? So, about the word вас and тебя. Ты is how you say you to a friend or family member. But to a teacher, to older person, or any stranger, say вы. Вы is a polite form of you, and it is always capitalized. You will never miss it with any other word. If you doubt which word to use вы. А как вас зовут? Tell me your name. Очень приятно. Pleased to meet you. Я учитель. This is a new word for you. Учитель means teacher. А вы кто? Ты студент? Or вы студент? Вы бизнесмен? Or ты бизнесмен? Вы фотограф? Вы профессор? Вы доктор? Did you notice question marks in the end of each sentence? Yes, these are questions. And you also should remember that question forms with the help of intonation. It goes up. Вы доктор? It goes up. If you say you are a doctor, I say вы доктор. If I ask, are you a doctor? I say вы доктор. So, now tell me, is this New York in the picture? Or is this Boston? In Russian, we have word или. Или for or. Это Нью-Йорк или Бостон? Это Нью-Йорк. Wow, look at this. Кто это? Кто это? Это Джонни Депп. Он актер. Я его люблю. The word люблю means I love. Я люблю, I love. In Russian, we use love not only for romance, but also for anything you like. for food, for sports, for some things, for actors, of course. But also I can say я люблю вас. I love you. Я люблю тебя. And look here. I love you in English. And there are 4 different ways to say it in Russian. Я тебя люблю. Can you see this? Remember? Я, меня, ты, тебя, вы, вас, он, его, она, ее. You have to remember this forever. It is very important. Я тебя люблю. Я люблю тебя. Different word order, but means the same. Я вас люблю. If I say to my professor, maybe, yeah, if I'm not in love, but I like the way he teaches me, I can say я вас люблю. Я люблю вас. It's the same. Кто это? What a nice woman. Это Скарлетт Йоханссон. Она актриса. Я ее люблю. Актер, актриса. Actor, actress. Now repeat after me. Я люблю. Люблю. We have soft sound L in the beginning, then U. Люблю. Футбол. Я люблю футбол. Now you say. Я люблю баскетбол. Я люблю хоккей. Я люблю бейсбол. Я люблю теннис. Я люблю волейбол. Football is not American football. Did you know that? In the United States, it is soccer. Oh, yeah. Now, let's add some new words. The word играть. 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 Играть means to play. When we say, when we play some game or some sports, we add preposition в. В. It means in. Yes, it sounds a little bit different for you, but you will adjust to these prepositions and all the other things about Russian. So, to say play football, or in English, of course, it is play soccer, we say играть в футбол. Играть в футбол. Do you remember from reading lesson that second sound is the bass, and if it is not voiced, the first sound becomes not voiced to voiceless. Играть футбол. В becomes ф. Играть футбол. It is easier to pronounce. Я люблю играть в футбол. Wow, it is long sentence. Now you try to say Я люблю играть в футбол. Я люблю играть в волейбол. Я люблю играть в хоккей. I never tried actually. Я люблю играть в бейсбол. Я люблю играть в теннис. Я люблю играть в баскетбол. Now let's try a little bit faster. Я люблю играть в футбол. Я люблю играть в волейбол. It means I like to play volleyball. Я люблю играть в хоккей. Я люблю играть в бейсбол. Я люблю играть в теннис. Я люблю играть в баскетбол. And let's guess how to say I like to play Monopoly. In Russian, Monopoly – монополия. Я люблю играть в монополию. And now, my friends, let's talk a little bit about grammar. Today we will learn something about verbs. Infinitive is a basic form of the verb, like English verbs to do, to walk, to read, and most of infinitives in Russian have ending t. If in English we notice this particle to, in Russian it is ending t. And today you have already learned one infinitive, remember? Играть. And you can see this ending t. Играть. Repeat after me. Повторяй за мной. Играть. Играть. Работать. 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 Рисовать. Рисовать. Я люблю рисовать. Угу. Читать. Читать. To read. Гулять. Гулять. Гулять means to walk outdoors, to play around. And people goes гулять when they just go to park, to walk somewhere, you know. In English, to walk means the way you move, running, walking. But in Russian, гулять does not mean walking, but usually people do it walking. You can jog and you can still call it гулять. Петь. 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 And now look at the ending of all those verbs. Играть, работать, рисовать, читать, гулять, петь. And remember that most of infinitives have ending t. There are some other different, but you will know about it later. And you must remember these words. They are not so simple like the words before, but I'm sure you can do it. So, now look here. We have я люблю играть. Я люблю играть. Children are playing and I like to play too. Say, я люблю играть. Я люблю читать. Я люблю читать. Я люблю читать. You can put stress on any word like in any other language, I believe. And it a little bit changing the meaning. Я люблю читать. It means I love reading. Я люблю читать. Or я люблю читать. Я люблю читать. Я люблю работать. Я люблю работать. Я люблю работать. Я люблю гулять. Я люблю гулять. Oh yeah, this is my favorite thing, maybe. Я люблю рисовать. Я люблю рисовать. Я люблю петь. Я люблю петь. Now you say. Good job. Молодец. Выучи слова. Я люблю играть в работать, читать, гулять, рисовать, петь, футбол, баскетбол, бейсбол, теннис, хоккей, волейбол, доктор, фотограф, студент, студентка, профессор, актер, актриса. Супер, молодец! Молодец! Супер! Хорошо! Yes, you did it. Learn the new words and believe me, you can do it. Ты можешь. Пока!